Okay, so this video is actually dedicated to adding hardhat-gas-reporter in our xrc-swap or tradecoin project. This library essentially is compatible with TypeScript, and it's a plugin for hardhat. So with this package, we can actually estimate gas usage per unit test, and we can actually see the metrics for method calls and deployments, and we can also estimate the currency costs of deploying and utilizing the contract. So I already tested this library, and it essentially pretty much depends upon the tests that you've written for the contracts, and essentially you need to really understand in great detail how your contracts will be utilized by essentially an average user. So to better optimize the contract. So this, we just copy the hardhat-gas-reporter, and just install it as the developments dependency as it installs. We also copy into the hardhat the following line into the config. And we'll also add this. So we just run yarn install it. Okay, so it's installed. Now we can essentially test the contracts. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, we need to change something. We might need to enable it. So just copy this line then. Okay, and we run the test once again. And here is the hardhat-gas-reporter in action essentially. We can see the deployment costs and the method costs essentially, so we can optimize the contract much better. Something like this.